in regards to Section 301 tariffs, is it legal to renegotiate my pricing now with my supplier?
Yeah, going forward, it is. Absolutely. You can renegotiate your pricing.
Right. No, absolutely. And so, there's nothing, I think there's a lot of conversations with some people and they get into this, well, is it going to throw up a red flag? And I think that's a different conversation than is it legal? It's absolutely legal. You can renegotiate your pricing based on whatever business decisions and discussions you have with your supplier completely outside of a customs.
Yeah, they can give you,
Section
they give you a discount. You can claim that discount. You can take the discount and you can declare the discounted value. That's perfectly fine.
Right.